Kalitan ko ba kayo eh? Jersey number 15, Ahmad. Balakbat to Bustos, kahit may Datsma. Humihigit ang depensa, humihigpit. Jay at Kunanan. Kunanan, wala. Rebound by Jay. Ang tindi. Challenge the defense. Balakbat. It's the same ball. O, shout out po sa inyo lahat. Idol. Nalilate yung cam sa may bola. O, si Dante. Bahala ka na dyan mag-adjust. Kami pa mag-adjust sa'yo. O, 3 balls by Pasya na naman. Si Pasma na naman. Grabe, sunod-sunod. Ang tinte. Ang malakasan. Bustos, kahit may kaman. It's a one-on-one.
Then, check out the shoot. Right, check out the shoot.
Ano nasa sa kanya?
Right, check out the shoot.
Toyota 956 HBJ. Toyota 956 HBJ. 9656, 9656 HBJ o public service mo na.
Right, check out the shoot.
Alright, papunta na. O, ayan. Okay. HBJ 965. Substitution. Okay, saan muna siya? Sino sub, kuya? Ahmad out, Muhammad in. Okay.
Right, check out the shoot.
9-second shot clock, 25-14. Lagreya.
Right, check out the shoot.
Intercepted by Kaman. Muhammad.
Gandang tira.
Muhammad. 25-14. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Kunanan.
14 the shoot.
There's a foul. Who's foul ref? Jersey number 15 at the 34, Pasman. First personal foul by Pasman. Paalala lang po sa mga players, coaching staff po natin, may substitution dito ako sa gitna, no? Sa table committee po kayo malapit ho. Dito para makita kayo agad. Wala. Kaman. Kaman to Sapin. Sapin intercepted. Kaman. Guarded by Bustos. Kaman.
Easy. Right, check out the shoot.
Hindi. Pasman again. Sunod-sunod. 4-3. Grabe. Parang kamay ni Kuya Wahab ah. Nakalipas ka ba? Parang nakalipas na 4 na dekada na ni Boss Wahab daw. Basket. It's a continuous.
Counter. Sabi ni Rep.
Who's the ref?
Nilamig ako.
Sapin. How many fouls for Sapin? First personal foul by Sapin. 3-point play by Bustos, jersey number 9 from Pampanga.
Yung pa-share na lang po ng ating live. Yan.
Second team fouls, alright?
Wala.
Wala. By Kaman. Alright. Sapin. Dire-diretso. Sapin. Wala. Pampanga to Bustos. To Irania. Irania.
Paisya.
Taran. Grabe. Ayan. Dumikit. 30-18.
Yun.
30-18.
Lamang pa rin po
alright.
ang Maguindanao.
It's a 12-point lead by, okay, dito ba tayo sa line, online?
Sorry.
Grabe,
18:30.
load sa ngayon. Late na kung
Pampanga, 18:30 Maguindanao. 12 ang kalamangan.
Sa yaman. Hindi ka kahulat, di mo naman. Sige, Pares, Ibrahim, shout out Lods. Shout out kay Ahmed Saudi Pinoy. Dito Saudi Pinoy, shout out daw. Very good.
Back to the
Shout
ball
out kay
game.
Bulldog, manager ng Laysap. Sino yung Bulldog naman? Ha? Wala na din. Umuwi na. Sorry. DJ Ferrer. Shout out kay Brand X. Anong brand X? Sa board, Brand X? TJ Ferrer, good luck both team. Natana si third attempt basket. Alright. Hayaan nyo sa fourth season. Ako na mismo magsabi kay Ahmed. Mag-sponsor na si Ahmed sa Saudi Pinoy. Saudi Pinoy, we're ready ha? Saudi Pinoy. Okay? Sino?
May tinawag si Rep.
KN. From KN, pabati po na happy birthday. kay
Number
Darius
18 from
Tanan,
Pampanga.
Pampanga. Ha? Birthday ni Darius? Darius, happy birthday. Ha? Ay, wala ko na. Ano ni siya man? Nagpuro. Ako yung shout out ni siya man. Alright, dito tayo. Basman. Basman to Kamad.
5 seconds to shoot.
Guarded by Bustos. It's an offensive foul by jersey number 1. Number 1. Sapin. Alright. Second personal foul. Substitution. Okay. Shout out kay Alinor Aldos. Okay, very good. Sige, Lods. Ha? Alinor Balso. Oh, Basman. Sige. Alright. Shout out, Lods. Good KR. Cristobal. Okay.
Muntik na.
Happy Lods, no? Oh. Stand by lang kayo, ha? Official po yan. Ang ganda po ng ating live ngayon. Irania. Gani may... Mukhang hinapos na.
Sayang, inapos.
Sapin. Bustos! Dire-diretso naman. Ay, ang ganda!
Nice layup.
Yun naman, nakita ko nito sa LBC dati. Ha? Yun ang mga laro. Ni Bustos. Ang tindi. Kaman. Guarded by Bustos. Dire-diretso. Bubukon. Si Jay. Iyan wala. Eradia to Enriquez to Lagrean. Kaman. Bustos to Konanan. Wala. Enriquez. Enriquez. Wala. There's a foul. Second personal foul by Bustos. Second team foul. It's a 10-point. 20-30. Dalawa. Second personal foul by Team Bustos.
So score natin 20-30. Lamang pa rin ang Maguindanao ng 10.
Basman.
So second quarter tayo.
Una. Natsma. Carried by Enriquez to Jay. Carried by Enriquez. Intercepted by Lagrea. Lagrea. Dire-diretso. Carried by Natsma. Challenge by Lagrea. Wala. Kinabos Enriquez. To Kaman. To Natsma.
Huli! Nahuli nga.
Tatlong sumasabay.
Dami ng bantay.
Ang hirap hanapin ang ring. Sir, pa-shout out from Cayman's Island. Oh, grabe. Denmark, Masuk. Oh, very good.
12 seconds to shoot.
Kaman. Basman. Wala. Rebound by Lagrea. Lagrea to Kunanan. Intercepted by Buhaman to Jay. Kaman. Carried by
Hey,
Enriquez.
Kaman.
Kaman. Ay, ang ganda ng pasan. Nadsma to Basman. Wala. Yay, Bustos. Okay, wala lang. Stand by. Bustos to Kunanan.
Oy!
Wala. To Kaman. Kaman. Wala. Enriquez. Kaman. Wala. Lagrea to Enriquez. Enriquez, 2 points.
Nice shot by Enriquez.
All right. 2 minutes and 47 seconds. That's one.
22-30.
That's back.
So walong hinahabol ng Pampanga.
That's back. Obikot. Idris tumabay. There's foul.
Foul.
Substitution. Who's foul, ref? Jersey number 8, Enriquez. First personal foul. Kaman out, Sapin in. Mohammed out. Kunanan out, David in. Bustos out, Paras in. Alright, okay, thank you. Score 30-22 is an 8-point lead. Alright, so sige. Ayan. Guys, paalala natin sa inyo, you have the right to challenge the score ha. Pag medyo may delay ng konti ha. You have the right to challenge, okay? Thank you.
Pasok.
Para at least makita nyo maliwanag sa inyo lahat. Go team, Kabalim. O yan. O, focus ka muna sa game launch as commentator. O yan, tama nga. Buti ka pa. Naalala mo. Sige. Very good, Day. Oo nga, puro shoutout eh. Paras! Paras to David, kaya ni Muhammad. There's
3 seconds.
What's that? Substitution. It's a 3 seconds violation. Okay. Ahmad out, Kaman in. Alright, sorry. Alright. 22-31. Onas. Onas Joseph, galing by Lagreya to pass.
14 to shoot.
Onas to jersey number 6, basket.
Nice shot by Unas.
Okay. Lagreya. Lagreya to David. David, there's foul. 23. Jersey number 6, Ibrahim. Warning for penalty. Enriquez.
Nice shot by Enriquez.
24-33. Remaining time, 1 minute and 41 seconds. Unas diretso kayo may Lagreya to Ibrahim. Ibrahim kayo may David. Ibrahim, binato, basket.
Nice shot.
Ang
Ibrahim.
Ang ganda. Diretso.
Ganda ng tira ni Ibrahim.
Enriquez.
Enriquez.
Enriquez. Okay, alright. Enriquez diretso. Alright. It's a safe ball. Lagreya out, Bustos in.
David.
11 seconds to shoot.
Bustos.
10 seconds to
By
shoot.
that spot. Bustos is a one-on-one.
5 seconds to shoot.
Bustos, ang ganda. Wala. By Jay. Kaman. Bustos. Bustos. Bustos to... Yan yan. Paras. There's a foul. There's a foul. 24-35. There's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Who's foul, ref? Jay, jersey number 7, Kaman. Okay. First personal foul by Jay, Kaman. Paras for the leading good line through free throws, first basket.
Wala.
Alright, first attempt.
So 11 pa rin ang hinahabol ng Pampanga. 24-35.
Attempt by
59 seconds in the second quarter.
Basket.
10.
Okay. 25-35 is a 10-point lead by Maguindanao. Sapit to Kaman. To Ibrahim. Ibrahim. Wala. Rebound by Sapit.
14 to shoot.
Sapit.
10 seconds to shoot.
Sapit to Ibrahim. Wala.
Sayang.
14 seconds to shoot.
Natsma from the downtown. Wala. David to Enriquez.
Enriquez.
Basket.
Munti ka na.
It's a foul. It's a blocking foul by jersey number 24. First personal foul by Natsma. Penalty situation. 2 free throws on the 15-foot line by Pampanga. Jersey number 8, Enriquez.
So 25-35. Lamang pa rin ang Maguindanao. 28
Remaining
seconds in the second
28
quarter.
seconds.
Matatapos na ang second quarter.
First attempt by Enriquez, not basket. 35-25 is a 10-point lead. Oh, shout out tayo. Toy Puno. Oh, go, Kapampangan. Gayo Nori. Good luck, Maguindanao team from Industrial City 2. Alright, okay. Good job. Sapin. Sapin. Diretso. Sapin, atake. Sapin, to touch pa. Touch pa. To David. David to Paras. Paras to
14
Enriquez.
seconds.
Enriquez. Ayun!
Ano nangyari?
Tama!
Sayang.
Sayang na sayang talaga.
Parehas kami. Parehas. Sayang talaga yun. Kaya nga.
Kaway tayo dyan mga lods. Oh. 25 mga lods ha. 10 seconds. 10.2 na higigil about isa. Si Tata, si Vice, Luya. Luya sa kabila mo. Nung Luya. Ikaw yung Luya na. Ikaw yung... Magkamadali kayo dyan eh. Manonood na kayo dyan. Ano pa mag-a-adjust sa inyo? Shout out na nga kayo dyan eh. Oh, shout out ulit. Oh, kabalik. Si Vera J. Si Lydia. Ano pa mag-a-adjust ito?
10
Matintay
seconds.
kayo eh. Demanding kayo ah. Okay, ayun na, shout out ko na kayo. Alright. Good vibes lang tayo mga lods. Good vibes. Alright. Yes, IPBL po ito.
10 seconds.
Alright. Okay. Onas. Guarded by David Onas. Wala. Hindi na lipat ka.
May...
Alright. First half. That was the end of our first half. 35-35.
Yun.
It's Maguindanao's lead for 10 points.